children, welcome to the EBS class. Children, in the previous class you have studied about different national days like Independence Day, Republic Day, Teachers Day, Children's Day and Gandhi Jayanti. So today we'll study about international days. What are international days? Days which are celebrated throughout the world. They are called international days. So let's study World Environment Day. World Environment Day is an international day. Okay children, it is celebrated on 5th June every year. World Environment Day is celebrated on 5th June every year, and it was started by United Nations General Assembly in 1972. Okay, it was started by United Nations General Assembly in 1972. Children, these days program are hosted by different countries on different theme every year. Like in 2019, it was hosted by China and the theme was air pollution. And this year in 2020, it was hosted by Colombia and the theme was time for nature. Okay children, and the aim of this day is to spread awareness about environment dangers like deforestation, killing of animals and pollution. Okay, and in the school different competitions are organized like poster making competition, essay writing competition with the theme of environment dangers. Okay, and on this day school children involve them in different campaign like cleanup campaign and tree plantation. Okay, now study another international day, that is World Health Day. World Health Day is celebrated on 7th of April every year. Okay children, as the name suggests, World Health Day, it is celebrated to spread awareness about the importance of good health. Many health camps and free medical checkups are organized on this day. Okay, and this day is celebrated by the members of WHO. The full form of WHO is World Health Organization. On this day, free medical checkup is done, free medical camps are organized. In those camps, doctors advise the people about the importance of health, hygiene and many health tips are also given like balanced diet, importance of exercise and so on. Okay, now next international day is Earth Day. Earth Day is celebrated on 22nd of April and it was started by Gaylord Nelson, who was an American politician, and it was started in 1970. Okay, and the objective of this day is to spread awareness about conservation of the resources on the earth. Okay, like we should save the water, we should save the energy, we should take care of our environment. Okay children, in 1970 in USA, many colleges and universities organized protests against the environment degradation. Okay, and another international day is International Literacy Day. International Literacy Day is celebrated on 8th of September. This day is celebrated to promote literacy around the world, and this day is declared by UNESCO. The full form of UNESCO is United Nations Educational scientific and cultural organization. Okay, the objective of this day is to promote literacy around the world. Many literacy programs are also organized in all over the world, like night schools for adult education, primary schools, distance education are also organized on this day to promote literacy around the world. Each one Teach One is a campaign program launched by the International Literacy Mission. Okay, Teach One is a campaign program that is started by the National Literacy Mission. In that program, school children also have to spread literacy around the world. Children, do you know the meaning of literacy? Literacy means the ability to read and write. So, in today's class, you have studied different international days like World Environment Day, World Health Day, Earth Day and International Literacy Day. Now we'll discuss the question answer in our next class. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Bye-bye.